What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to optimize ChatGPT to get better responses for your questions or your prompts. So ChatGPT is a prompt-based service that you can ask any question and it will answer you with AI, of course. However, you can further modify the prompt to get better precise answers. So one of the best ways is to tell ChatGPT to play a role. So let's say I want to learn about like drop shipping. So instead of asking ChatGPT straight what dropshipping is, I can ask ChatGPT to play a role or pretend to be like a commerce or an e-commerce expert. So like this, pretend to be an e-commerce expert and explain. Now that's the second trick. You can tell ChatGPT to explain in like further details and explain in elaborate details what drop shipping is. And you can finish your questions stating that you are a total beginner so that ChatGPT can give you like simple details. For a total beginner, hit enter. And ChatGPT will start here like generating an answer. As you can see here, as you might have noticed, it starts with dropshipping 101. So it gives you like a total beginner guide to dropshipping, explaining what dropshipping is and how it works and all of that. So here you can view that the answer here is more precise and more accurate than the normal or direct ChatGPT prompt. And any point that you do not understand, you can ask ChatGPT to elaborate more or explain more.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.